Laticrete square edge profiles offer a practical solution for separating, protecting, and providing a polished finish to corners. These profiles feature square dimensions on all sides and are specifically designed to meet demanding aesthetic standards, and are highly recommended for areas where wall coverings require the utmost visual appeal. With their unique shape, square edge profiles allow for exquisite and seamless designs when paired with tiles and natural stone coverings. In addition to their decorative purpose, these profiles ensure optimal protection for the corners and edges of the coverings. Laticrete square-shaped profiles are available in a multitude of materials and finishes. The most common materials you will encounter with profiles are PVC, aluminum, and stainless steel. Each material comes with its own unique set of benefits. Careful selection of your profile size is key to achieving the desired final appearance as well as the highest degree of edge protection from your profile. Selection of the correct size begins with the thickness of the material being installed. The profile height or size should be equal to or slightly larger so it can cover and protect the full tile edge, allowing it to sit flush with the profile edge when fully bedded and installed. You should also consider the tile adhesive and format being used to account for the additional thickness below the tile surfaces. This is especially important when using profiles in combination with large and heavy format tiles. And don't forget the corners. All Laticrete square edge profiles, regardless of material or finish, have corresponding outside and inside corner pieces that easily glide into corners without force. Before installing, make sure walls are level and the profiles, corners, and connectors are accurately measured and dry fit. Be sure to include and account for any outside or inside corner pieces being used. Where the profiles meet, be sure the mounting legs of the two profiles do not overlap. Trim the mounting legs as necessary to avoid any interference. When cutting profiles, make sure to use all safety and personal protection equipment as recommended by the cutting tool manufacturer, such as gloves, protective eyewear, and hearing protection. Cutting PVC profiles can easily be achieved using plastic snips or a hacksaw and miter box. When selecting the saw, select a saw with the highest teeth per inch to get the cleanest cut. For aluminum profiles, the best method is to use a chop saw with a dedicated aluminum or non-ferrous blade at the highest teeth per inch (TPI) available. Alternatively, a variable speed angle grinder set to the slowest speed with an aluminum-specific cutting wheel can also be used. For stainless steel profiles, either a variable speed angle grinder set to the slowest speed with a stainless steel or a non-ferrous cutting wheel can also be used, or a hacksaw with miter box may be used. No matter what kind of cutting tool you use, before installation, remove any burrs from the cut end of the profile with a file. Also, take care where profiles overlap and cut the mounting leg of the corresponding profile to ensure there is no interference between the two pieces. Once you have cut all your pieces and ensured a proper fit, install your outside corner piece by adding a small amount of tile adhesive into the profile end. This will help to hold the corner in place as you match up the other profile piece. Wipe away excess adhesive from the corner surfaces. Apply tile adhesive with a notch trowel to the substrate and press the square edge profile into the adhesive bed and align. Make sure that the mounting legs of the two profiles were properly trimmed not to overlap. Once embedded, apply tile adhesive over the mounting leg. Press the tiles in firmly and align them so that they are flush with the upper edge of the profile. Lay tiles to full depth, leaving a gap of 1/16 to 1/8 inch between the tile and profile for grout. Be sure to wipe away any excess adhesive touching the profile edge to prevent surface damage on the profile. Once the adhesive bed is cured, fill the space between the tiles and the profile completely with grout. Maintaining profiles is a straightforward process that does not involve any special care. Cleaning them can be done easily using clean water and a sponge, and if needed, a few drops of mild dishwashing liquid can be added. It is important to ensure that the cleaning agents used are free from hydrochloric acid, hydrofluoric acid, and any abrasive substances. Additionally, avoid using solvent-based cleaners when dealing with PVC profiles. Laticrete offers a complete line of StoneTech cleaning products designed to help extend and protect the beauty of your installation. For your next commercial or residential project, Laticrete offers a range of top-notch profiles that deliver edge protection, exceptional finishes, and enhanced safety for tiled surfaces. Make the wise choice of selecting Laticrete profiles and trims to elevate the quality of your work. To learn more about our products and services, visit our website at www.laticrete.com.